Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Manli GeForce RTX 5070 12GB series lineup. So friend, Manli has announced the RTX 5070 graphics card with game-changing performance with the RTX 5070 powered by NVIDIA Blackwell and game at high frame rate with DLSS for supercharge your creativity with NVIDIA Studio and enable new experience with power of AI. So friend, there are 6,144 CUDA cores on board powering the RTX 5070, and it also has a 12 GB of memory and GDDR7 memory speed of up to 28 Gbps with 5th generation Tensor Core AITOPS 988. And no matter you are a gaming enthusiast, application creator, and SEG followers are just getting started to try NVIDIA Blackwell and mainly offer diversify version to your meet demand, and you can try our luxury Stellar, Snow White, Polar Fox and Classic and Nebula. So friend, the Stellar series has a elegant gradient color cover design and features mainly third generation patented fan with advanced noise reduction technology, and the Polar Fox series is the best choice for users who love anime. Melody doesn't just design another graphics card, we crafted unique IP identity that makes Polar Fox truly special, and the last one, Nebula Series, is built with overall die-cast shroud with metal backplate to add rigidity to protect the card and prevent bending or ripping. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.